Thank God it's what? Friday, Abby? Thank God. You know the song?
Thank God it's Friday. Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Friday. Thank God it's Friday. I'm gonna walk in to one day.
Hey, special numbers. Friday special number.
Mommy, I want us to sing it like this. Thank God it's fried rice. Fried rice.
Thank God it's Friday.
It's Friday. No, it's thank God it's Friday. No, it's thank God it's house.
Your own is different. Mama, did they give you assignments?
Yes.
Are you done with your test? Are you wait? Leave me, Jerry. Are you done with your test?
No.
You done with test? Hope you wrote well.
Yeah.
Confess though. What did I say?
Confess. I'm already first.
Of course, you are already first.
I'm first. Not student.
Yes, that is, you are the best among your equals. Abi, say amen. What's biting you now? Is it mosquito? One Kaila one. After say wait for your mommy, yeah? She will soon come and pick you people. Oh, go and wait for her.
Baby, now me do your kiss, they above the law. After you, now you become pop. Oh, baby, show up, get other girl, tell us why you are working.
Mama, like your food. You know, say that sachet of blood on the bed, on the chair.
Is that Mama what? Mount water.
You want to? Is this food? Is it peppery? Mama.